Oh,
There
yeah.
it went. There it went. That's a big one. Just set it down there. Don't
Just
throw
set
it.
down, baby. In here, in here. In here, in the clear one. In the clear pot.
That's a good size one though. There.
Whoa.
That is a good size one right there.
Where?
The one that you just pulled out. You know. It's a good size one.
I planted a few ones and a few in here. You okay, Dai?
Yep.
I'm sure, Dai.
Oh
No
yeah.
COVID, right?
No COVID.
In Jesus' name.
Yeah.
No COVID. Malayo.
No. All because I breathed a little bit of that powder from the mortar.
What powder is it, Heart?
The mortar. That's what caused this whole thing.
Oh, I think there's a big one in here.
We were mixing that mortar, and some of the powder got
Man,
past
I was
my
right. Look how right I was.
yeah, got past my mask. Fortunately, I'm almost over it. But once in a while, I have a little cough. You know, the one thing about this COVID-19 coming out, there's no other diseases in the world right now. Anybody hears anything, they're like, COVID, COVID. Everybody's yelling, COVID.
Yeah,
If you cough, they're like, COVID. Yeah, the slightest,
natural cold.
slightest cough or sneeze, they're like, COVID, COVID.
Are you sure you're feeling okay? Like, you do know you can go home, right? Well, just take 2 weeks off.
Yeah, you're on quarantine. Yeah, everybody's thinking COVID, COVID, like everybody's afraid of it, you know? Yeah, and it's all China's fault.
All China's fault.
All China's fault.
But we are blessed.
Yep.
We cannot complain. Tiara going that way. You're like that way. Because there's more in this. What's her, sweetheart? What's her this way? That way?
Wait a minute. Let me go around here. I know. I said let me go around here because I can't see anything with those dragon fruit plants there.
Oh, what you
Yeah, you got a group of them there you just uncovered.
Okay. Wow, how strong this girl is.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that piece of...
I got it. I got it.
And
Yeah, that's kind of small there.
like a fish. Just digging it with the bare hand, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Family, friends, YouTube family. Yeah, got a few here. We got little ones and big ones. But we'll take them all. This one's a big one.
Yeah.
And a big one? Whoa. Could throw this at someone.
Yeah.
Effective. Ciara, look. Dig that one, baby.
It's the extras that come from this area
We
right here.
dug this area for my friend, baby. If someone's coming after you, don't you worry. There's sweet potatoes in the yard.
Yeah.
Making a weapon of choice, huh? It's kind of like dodgeball, but you're shooting first.
Yeah.
But it's going to be fair because they're going to probably have a weapon before you.
Yeah.
But then again, fights are never fair.
Right. Exactly.
Oh.
Anything goes in a fight anymore. Anything goes. Doesn't matter what it is.
All that matters in the fight is who wins at the end.
Yeah.
Not
you gotta fight fair.
Even if you do go to jail, at least you're alive.
Yeah, you fight to win.
Even
But
if
do
they're
not
on the
start the
ground.
fight. You
No,
defend
you don't.
yourself.
Right, you don't start anything. You just defend yourself.
See, because if they started first, you have the right to defend.
That's right.
Yeah. You get the right to defend. The right to stood in your ground and protect yourself. Whoa, you see how strong that girl got?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's one that came out.
Ooh. Right here. See how this? Tell them that this is totally from wood chips.
Yeah, it is. It's totally from wood chips. Yeah, just wood chips. Of course, there's leaves mixed in with it. You know, leaves, maybe a little bit of grass, but it's wood chips. But it's you just put a limb in the chipper, and of course you got the leaves and everything in there too. Maybe a tiny bit of moss. You got a group of them right there you just pulled up.
I know.
Wow.
You alright, baby doll? I'm alive. Ugh. I need some water.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you got a group of them there.
Oh my God. This is so
She's got
funny.
a bunch of them there. She's still pulling. Still pulling them off the vine.
This is so fun.
Ugh.
Oh, I see. I think there's more of them right here
I know.
underneath the ground. You just have, for some reason, when you were pulling that part of the vine didn't come up. Ugh. Okay. Let's see what angle I can get at
Okay.
to film this.
There's way more over here.
Yeah, there's got to be more underneath. Yeah, I knew it. I knew there had to be underneath the ground there.
Oh my God, look at that, Jason.
I know. I knew there had to be some underneath the ground the way it looked. Because she was pulling the vines and it just basically uncovered it.
Oh,
Yeah, it was
definitely
just-
over 2 pounds.
It was just,
There's even more there.
yeah, there's more.
Ugh.
Because it just like, she just uncovered it when she pulled the vines. And I could tell it's still in the ground.
Yeah.
Hello?
Come here.
Come on, we're having fun. Merry Christmas.
We're digging some treasure in the ground.
I have to tell you,
Ow.
gargantuan sweet potato you gave me?
Yeah? Oh, wow, we're digging sweet potato.
So, I didn't know how I was going to eat that. John's not.
There's more down there.
Okay.
So, my son-in-law and daughter came over, and I said, listen, we're going to make this.
Oh, wow.
And I started peeling. I said, Catherine,
Yeah.
it's purple. I said, maybe it's a purple potato. So she Googled it, and she found all these, Mom, these antioxidants.
Yes.
So then my son-in-law's going, well, let's see what it tastes like when you bake it. Look at, he said, it's sweet potato. So I said, because there's 4 of them, I said, please take one of these giants. They cooked it again. Their little girls ate it.
Yeah,
And I had never knew it. You didn't tell me it was purple. I was like, she said she gave me a sweet.
it's full of antioxidants.
You know, did I tell you I bought what kind of like this big? Maybe
One of them was that shape, but one of them was like fat, big.
because of the wood chips.
Yeah.
It was purple the whole way through.
This is I bought one in Publix. This is $4.99 per pound. So kind of like one of this, and I grew them, and look how much. Yeah. Because this
Now, when you bake them, are they sometimes orange?
No.
They're always purple. Wow.
Yeah.
I
And
had never had that, and I've had orange sweet potatoes all my life.
Yeah.
But this little.
Yeah.
it's they are the cheapest one, and they don't taste good.
I'm gonna get some water.
You should have been here a few minutes ago because we were pulling all these vines back.
Come this
Wow.
way. Come this way.
Oh.
Yeah, we
Come
still.
to mooch food. I just came to tell you my purple.
No, I mean, we've been pulling vines back, digging sweet potatoes out. We still got more to do, I think. Here comes JJ.
That is like the one you gave me. Oh my God.
All right, we're almost done, Jay. You want to come help pull some of these vines? No?
Oh, there you go. Well, I'll take this one.
You take that one.
Yeah, they love it. Hey, take some. I need a bag.
You need a bag.
Need a bag?
Public bag.
Get her a bag.
I wonder if there's any more.
There is more.
Anywhere around here. Well, I'm king because while she's here, let her uncover some of them.
It's probably going
this
to
way.
be easier to transport smaller ones too, but I'll get a bag.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of small ones, but I mean, if you wanna uncover some of them and dig them up,
Do you know what ginger look like?
Ginger? Yeah, that you cook with? Yeah, you grow?
Yes, right here. Put that down.
But how do you... Oh, I see. Oh, wow. Just like in the store. I never knew where they came from, and I wasn't a city girl. Wow. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at how abundant that is, Jen. Yeah, oh, my daughter will love that. They really cook together. You know, my husband's meat and potato, but her husband's more creative. He loves soups and
Oh,
healthy eating and...
have you tried to put ginger, onion, and put a little rice and chicken? Chicken first, and then
And then onion and then ginger.
look at that ginger. See, this is our first harvest.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, ginger. Wow.
Oh,
Oh, you brought a
Sierra.
bag.
I want you to weigh this. That must be like 3 pounds plus.
Probably. Yeah, you can weigh it right there on the back porch.
Weigh it, baby.
Yeah, go weigh this. And you know what? The smaller ones are actually good for me. Those are, I must have peeled that thing for 5 minutes. You're going to give me all that? Just a few knobs. Oh, thank you. I'll take one for my daughter.
Hey, take the whole thing.
Wow.
Come this way, here. The other day, me and your daughter.
Let me go get some little potatoes if you don't mind.
Yeah, we'll
Yeah, you can get them.
Okay.
there is some
I'll be right back now.
Get some little ones in here. You love it, sweetheart.
Oh, yeah.
Who wouldn't love this potato, right?
Yeah.
And I have. And we should have some in here too. I planted some in here before.
I told my daughter, and these are organic.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We don't put no chemicals or anything on it, no fertilizer or nothing.
Oh, I got potatoes.
Yeah.
Nice. That is wonderful.
Yeah. How was your Christmas?
It was fine. You know, my son couldn't come home from Colorado because COVID, his business, but
He could not
it
come.
was nice. It's a little lonely this year, isn't it? You know, I mean, people having to stay themselves.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
drove around Christmas Day. I found a cup of coffee at Wawa.
Okay.
I should have just come sat in your garden.
You come this way, sweetheart, because I dug here for her the other day.
I go around the other way. I don't want to step on all this stuff.
Yes, sit that down. How many pounds is it, baby?
How big was that?
It's exactly 5 pounds.
That's a 5-pound potato.
Okay, sweetheart, take picture of that.
Yeah.
Pounds, because
5-pound
that's
potato.
the biggest I have so far.
Exactly 5
Well, those
pounds.
ones you gave me were
Right on
huge.
5.
Right on 5. Just one potato.
We can plant this.
5 pounds.
Oh, I've got
God.
That's a pretty good size one there.
I have got plenty. Oh.
Yeah. We are blessed.
A 5-pound sweet potato. I wonder how much that would cost in the store.
A lot.
Organic?
Like around
Yeah.
10
20
bucks,
pounds.
20.
10 bucks.
Yeah, around 20 bucks.
You know,
Wow.
and we just grew it here in Woodchester. Look at
Beautiful.
that. She's pulling up.
God, look.
Oh my God.
This one has a little hole, but you know.
No, but you know what? All you do is cut it off.
Cut it off.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Because if an insect went on it, that means a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He didn't die.
Yeah, because if it,
Music.
Are you in high school yet?
Yeah, I'm a freshman.
At Steinbrenner?
Yeah.
Isn't it true you can get a 2-year degree there? A college degree. It's called HCC at Steinbrenner. or something.
Yeah. They could take like HCC, AP classes.
yeah, this way,
and,
sweetheart, look.
like dual enrollment and stuff.
Oh my God.
Dual enrollment to me is the way to go.
Mm-hmm.
And my daughter was at Gaither. They offered so limited. This was a long time ago. But dual enrollment, all you got to do is get a, even if it's a hard class, you get a B or a C.
And you can come.
And it's college credit.
Yeah, I was gonna
You're getting an
Sign up for
AP
one.
classes, right, Ciara?
dual enrollment for me. I think it's so smart.
I was thinking about it.
Because you know what, when you go to college, some of those first classes they make you take English and those are pits. Get them done in high school.
Yeah, you can get them done in high school if you wanted to.
God,
So you're ahead of everybody.
that's a 5-pounder. So that's the heaviest sweet potato ever.
Yeah.
5-pounder.
Those are good looking shoes.
Hmm?
Santa Claus bring you those?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, he did.
I was
Yeah.
going to say, either that or you sit shine your shoes every day. Wow. What, do you burn all this? You need to.
No.
We just let it like kind of.
Rotten
It
cream.
would
Yeah.
it be rotten, and then the earth will eat it,
Nice.
and that's why it's organic.
Let it.
That's
turn
the food for the
compost.
plant. Oh my God! Look at this beauty, see, Arto.
It's too much. I've
Yeah.
got way too much right now. John's going to come looking for me.
Oh my
I'll have to
God!
get you over at the house.
Oh my God! Look,
Oh my God. Wonderful. And that papaya was delicious, but
that was
so
delicious.
big. Oh, yeah.
You eat
Yeah,
it?
papaya is
I
good.
mixed papaya with mango and
Wow.
other stuff, and
Big
I like
one.
it blended.
My
It's
God.
huge.
That's a couple
That's what
pounds
you
right
love
there.
to do. Sweet.
Just that one alone.
Probably.
Don't you love it? I roast them in the oven. I cut them into cubes and roast them.
Or you can also fry them with a little olive oil.
Yes, and salt and pepper, and they're so good. I mean, I used to bake them and just smother them in butter and brown sugar. But now I eat them roasted.
Look.
Unbelievable. I'm glad. Are you filming video?
Yeah.
And will you send it to family or so?
Put it on YouTube.
Hey, you don't mind to be in YouTube, do you?
Well, I don't know. I'll have to get a release signed.
You gotta give us a release sign.
I've got to go. I told John I was gonna
One
do
of
a
my
quick walk.
YouTube videos with the kids digging the sweet potato, we got like
Oh, when I get home, I'm going to tell them. Guess what I got? Purple sweet potatoes.
Yeah.
They're going to love it. Oh, I got to go.
hey,
Don't worry.
bring some for your son.
Well, when he comes here, they'll definitely take some back. Even if they fly, they'll put them on the plane.
Yeah.
Maybe if I fly out there, I'll put them on the plane.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, some of the freeze got this, didn't it? But that's okay. It'll come back.
Yeah, it'll be all right.
It's gonna die.
I didn't think we froze last night, but
Yeah, it's 33.
33, yeah.
So it's, you know,
got a little.
mighty close.
Oh my God.
Mighty close.
Literally, my phone said 1 degree
Congratulations,
Celsius,
that
and I was
looks
like, wow.
Yeah, that's right.
See you guys. Thank you
Huh?
very much.
Hey,
All right.
anytime. God bless you.
You should come back for more. You got a lot.
Come back for more.
You got a lot.
Yeah, that's from this little area
All
right here.
let's start
That's this
picking
little
up.
area.
Because
I got to take JJ to the gym.
now,
Yeah, it's time for him to go. I want to go work out over there
yeah,
too.
work out with him. Say hi.
All right.
And I'm gonna say look at this one.
So we want to bring this to a close.
Yes, but not until I did this one. Come here.
Sierra. Oh, you uncovered one already.
Oh, and it's got a sister.
Yeah.
All right, I'll say goodbye. And Lord, thank you for the blessing of the 2020 and God, there's more in here. I step on
Huh?
it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
This is 5 pounds sweet potato. Please like and subscribe, family, beautiful
Yeah.
people.
Like and subscribe.
Yes,
It
and
helps
Merry
us out.
Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yeah.
And again, if you plant something, you can get something.
Yeah.
This is the proof. And plant organic with wood chips.
Yeah.
Bye.
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 Bye. Merry Christmas.
And see you in the next video.
Yep. Happy New Year too. We're a few days away from the new year. Bye everybody.